And we're back here at the Toyota dealership. Let's go! Yo, what's up mga katropa? Welcome muli sa channel natin na BS03. Today, kukunin natin yung sasakyan na pinuntahan natin dito sa Toyota last time. And then, that's it, man. I'm signing.
So this is, you're not responsible. First car you had, I remember, was a Corolla. Then you upgrade.
I'm gonna charge you.
$2 million contract. This is for the tag. And this is to say you have the tag, the wear and tear, and the starter, everything. So signature here. And here. And this is to say you have the winter mats and summer mats, both sets of mats. We put you winter and the summer is in the trunk, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And this is to say your first appointment is going to be October 9.
So mga pare, magkapirmahan na. Bibigay na sa akin yung sasakyan mo. Bago pala. Bago, ngayon, 2020, panahon ng COVID. So mga katropa, ito na yung susi natin na bago. Isinorender ko na yung dahil papalitan na natin ang luma ng sasakyan, bagong sasakyan. At this is all-wheel drive na. And the previous one is only front-wheel drive, mga katropa. Binigyan ako ng masayang alaala ng sasakyan na to, kung saan ako dinala nito. Ayos naman, awa ng Panginoon. Ito na ang bago nating Toyota RAV4 2020 all-wheel drive. So here it is, guys, an old car ko, yung 2016 RAV4 LE model. Ito ang new car, RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. Yan. And I'm gonna ask the guy to put the hubcap later on. Yeah, you can see, silver. Ito nga palang feature ng engine niya. Economy, you wanna save ng gas, normal, sports mode, snow, when it's snowy, you can put it on and off mud and sand, rock and dirt if you're going to the rugged terrain, dirty terrain, somehow like that. And then ito na yung park, reverse, neutral, drive, shift selector for manual transmission mode. Yan mga katropa, kita nyo naman. And this is our steering wheel. Ang dami niyang buttons, as you can see. Yan, new screen ng ating RAV. Andito na po kami sa aming bagong sasakyan. Uuwi na po kami kasama ito. Iniwan na namin yung luma. Well, I don't know where it is now. And it's gone. I think they're gonna sell it. Ito na. Ito na ang bagong ito. Kakabayuhin din natin to. So, until next time mga katropa, this video about the new 2020 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive. Thanks mga katropa. Hope you... Yes. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button for our latest video.